Welcome to Roasted, where brunch, food, and entertainment is all a part of the menu. I'm LaTonya Martin, your host of the American Dream. I'm here today at Roasted. I'm so excited to meet Chef E, Nina Brown. And with that said, your name is Nina Brown, Chef E, but where does the E come in?
So my name is actually Erica.
Okay.
Nina is my nickname. I know it doesn't make sense, but Nina is my nickname.
Okay.
And so that's the Chef E is Chef Erica.
Okay.
Or Chef E.
So it makes sense now.
Okay.
It makes sense.
Okay.
I was like, where did the E come from?
Yes.
Are you a native of Nashville?
I am from East Nashville.
Okay.
Been here, born and raised in Nashville.
Okay. And how long have you been cooking, making food, being a chef?
Cooking all my life since I was like 6 or 7. I'm the oldest of my siblings. Well, I have a brother 1 year older than me, but that don't count. Okay. But so I'm the oldest of my siblings, and our unfortunate situations, we were at home alone by ourselves a lot. Oh, wow. So I had to cook, and that was the only way I can get my brothers and sisters to calm down was to cook some food, and then I also helped my grandma in the kitchen.
So we're in $1 million area. How did you obtain this particular location?
So it's actually a story to that. I used to do my pop-ups here.
Okay.
So when I first started catering, a lot of people, they wanted to try my food, but I mean, who has thousands of dollars just to try my food? You gotta book an event. So of course, everybody's not having any event. And so I always wonder, what could I do to get my food to those that didn't book catering events, other than selling plates out of my house, which I done. And I met Will one day, which is the owner of this building, which is my partner. I met him down at Sensations selling food, and I tasted his food and I told him what I didn't like. And we gained a friendship from there. Wow. I knew he had this place, which was the local distro. It was amazing pre-COVID.
I remember that.
Post-COVID, it didn't do as well. I did my pop-ups here pre-COVID.
Okay.
COVID happened, and so we kind of stopped. One day, I was in the midst of possibly opening a place somewhere else and backed out of it and was kind of feeling down. And I'm like, let me go see what Will is doing with the local distro. Came in here, asked him for a meeting, came in here with my business plan and everything, asked him for the building, and he was like, all right, tomorrow. So yeah, that's literally how it happened.
Wow.
And, I mean, I always say when there's a will, there's a way, and his name is Will, and he gave me a way, he gave me the foundation to do something I didn't even know that I was going to do. Yeah, because I had a different business plan, so I kind of switched it up to make it fit this place and to give people what they know me for, which is brunch.
So where did the name Roasted come from?
Okay, so Roasted, it was an idea of mine to offer people healthy food fast, and it would all be roasted. Trying to introduce a new way of eating, you gotta have some money, and I didn't. So I started off with the roasted food and the concept that I had. It was gonna be fast, casual, healthy food. But again, it was taking too long to pick up. So needing money, I'm like, what do I need to do? And I'm like, let's add brunch on Sundays. And then brunch was doing well, and I'm like, whoa, let's add it to Saturdays. And it was doing well, and I'm like, let's do it all week. So the name Roasted came from roasted food.
Wow. And
the name had picked up traction so much that I couldn't change the name once I switched the concept over.
we hope we left you satisfied and entertained. If you're coming to Nashville, we have a full menu of places that you don't want to miss. Until next time, I'm LaTonya Martin, and we'll catch you on the next episode of The American Dream.